Hello, welcome back to Calculus 1. I am again Valle. I am your subject instructor. Today we're going to discuss special factors and products in preparation for our Calculus 1. So there are few special products and factors to be noted when we are going to tackle Calculus 1. The first one is the difference of two squares can be factored out as the sum and difference. Okay. Next is the difference between cubes is, so you have to follow minus a minus b, then a squared plus ab plus b squared. And number 3, we have a cube plus b cube. So that would be plus, but the other factor that would be minus at the end. Okay, so for now, that would be our 3 special products and factors. Let us try some problems to factor. So for example, we have 1. So we have 4x squared minus 9. So this first expression is a square. This is actually, if you're familiar with the laws of exponents, this is actually equal to 2x squared, or 2x quantity squared, while 9 is the square of 3. So in this case, we are now naming the 2x as your A, the 3 as your B. Therefore, the factor of a squared and b squared minus b squared, according to our special products, is a plus b. So this would be a plus b and a minus b. But plugging in your a and b, a is 2x, b is 3. So that would be a plus b and a minus b. So that is now the factored form of 4x squared minus 9. Let's try another. So we have 144. Wow, that would be y fourth, and then minus 256. We have z6. Okay, let's do that. So first we have to get the square root of this function. So first is to get the square root of 144. What is the square root of 144? That is 12. You can use your calculator to evaluate the square root of 144. So that would be 12. And then the square root of y fourth is we just divide 4 by 2. So that would be y squared. Then here, so what is the square root of 256? That would be 16. And z6 would be factored as z cubed. So this will again serve as your a and b. So this is an equivalent of a plus b and a minus b again. This would become, so we have the 12y squared minus 16z cubed, and, or that would be plus first, then 12y squared minus 16z cubed. Okay? Let's have another example. We have 27x6 plus 125m9. 27x6 is not a perfect square, as well as 125m9. So these are actually cubes. So we're gonna follow the a cube plus b cube would be factored out as a plus b and a squared plus ab plus b squared. So let's do that. So the cube root of your 27x6 would be, so cube root of 27, you can use your calculator, that's 3. Then we divide 6 by 3, so that's squared. Then in the other part, we have 5, then m cubed. So this would be factored out as, we have a plus b is 3x squared plus 5m cubed. Then you square this one. So when we square that, we already discussed that during your laws of exponents. When we square that would be 3x squared quantity squared. That would be, we have to distribute the square, so that would be 3 squared and x 2 times 2, or that would be 9x fourth. On the other side, we have 5m cubed squared, that is 5 squared times m 3 times 2, so that would be 25m6. Then the product, so 3x squared times 5m cubed, so 3 times 5 would be 15. Then the two letters doesn't mix up, so just arrange them alphabetically. That would be m cubed x squared. Now our product would have been 9x fourth. Then we have, so this should be minus, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So that should be minus 15m cubed x squared, or x squared and x squared m cubed is still acceptable. Then plus 25m6. We just use alphabetized arrangement for formality. So 27x6 plus 1m9 would be factored as 3x squared plus 5m cubed, 9x fourth minus 15m cubed x squared plus 25m6. So let us try also minus. So we have 343, let's say C12, and then we have plus 1, just that. Okay, so the cube root of the 343 c squared would be 343, if I'm not mistaken, is 7, correct? Then we have c4. Then 1, the cube root of 1 is just 1. So we said earlier that we have to try the minus, so this would be minus. Okay, what would be the factors of the minus? So again, let's review. A cubed minus b cubed is a minus b, then all plus a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, so this would be factored out as a, that is the 7c fourth, then minus 1, then the square of a is 49c8, then their product, just multiply them, 7c fourth, and then plus the square of 1 is just 1. Let's have this last example for this topic. We have x6 minus 64. We have to factor it out completely. Now I want you to pause this video for a while and try to solve the x6 minus 64. Okay, what have been your answers? So let's see if that is correct. So first, the x6 minus 64 can be rewritten as x cubed plus 8 and x cubed minus 8. Okay, because the square root of x6, I use the sum and difference, the first rule, and then 64 is 8. So that would be plus and minus. So I used, again, a squared minus b squared is a plus b and a minus b. However, x cubed plus 8 and x cubed minus 8 can still be factored out. So the x cubed, let's take them one by one. So the x cubed plus 8 would be taken care of as x plus 2, then x squared minus 2x plus 4, and the other one, x cubed minus 8, would be taken care of x minus 2 and x squared plus 2x plus 4. Okay, so the complete factor of x squared minus 64, or that should be x6, I'm sorry, would be x plus 2, x minus 2, x squared minus 2x plus 4, and x squared plus 2x plus 4. Did you get the same? If yes, then you have mastered factoring. If not, you have to practice again and again until you get the correct answer. So this would be the complete factor of x6 minus 64. They can be expressed in any order as long as all of the factors are there. So that's all for this topic. Again, I am Valle, your instructor in Calculus 1. See you next video.